Today we're looking at the nitration of methyl benzoate. Let's start by examining our starting material. The ester group is an electron-withdrawing group. It pulls electron density away from the ring, making the entire system less reactive. This deactivation is strongest at the ortho and para positions, making substitution there highly unfavorable for the incoming electrophile. To start the reaction, we use nitric and sulfuric acid to generate our powerful electrophile, the nitronium ion. The nitronium ion seeks out the position with the most remaining electron density. Since ortho and para are deactivated, it targets the meta position. A temporary sigma complex forms before aromaticity is restored, yielding our final nitrated product. And here it is, methyl m-nitrobenzoate. The nitro group has successfully substituted at the meta position relative to the ester. Remember, electron-withdrawing groups like esters always direct substitution to the meta position.